Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial series we call 2-Minute Notepad++. Have you been in a situation where you want to find each occurrence of particular word or part of the sentence? One traditional way of doing this is using Find tool. So you can highlight the particular part and press Ctrl F to open up the Find tool, and then we can see each occurrence one by one. But instead of that, in Notepad++, we have very handy tool which is known as style tokens. So in style tokens, you just need to highlight the part of the sentence, right click on it, and there is one option called style tokens. In the style tokens, we have multiple options 1 to 5. These are basically different colored labels. So you can choose any style token and click on it. Now you'll see each occurrence of the substring is highlighted with that particular color in all document. Now the cool part is, even after applying one style token, you can select different part or different substring and highlight that as well with different color. And you'll see all the occurrences are highlighted as well. This tool is very useful when your text document is very big and you want to find some pattern between that and highlight it. Also, there is option called remove tokens. So with that option, you can remove any specific style token or you can remove all style tokens as well.